Hey, good morning, it's Jeremiah. Out here in Central California in Nipomo this morning. Wonderful project here with Silos Design with Scott. And we have a Warmboard-R project going in. Great project going over existing subfloor here in Nipomo again, Central California. So definitely need some heat, need fast responding heat because it's cold and cool in the afternoons and evenings, but definitely warm in the mornings, especially on a summer day like today. It's pretty warm. I'll show you some insights. Panels were just loaded. First time guys using our board, so walk them through all the tips and tricks for getting our panels in. Project's looking great. Can't wait to see the finished project.